sweet spot. Oh. I'm Bryce, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a sweeper. The first thing when learning a sweeper is you really just want to first of all believe you can do it, because belief takes priority over anything. And the first thing I would probably explain practically is when you're jumping up, you want your front foot to be right on the kind of nose-ish, screws, but for me it's my flower, but at the center of your board, right as you jump up, you want to jump with your board, elegantly, like you're walking a dog, woohoo! You want to follow your foot all the way to the edge of the coping. It's almost like, wow, I'm about to jump off a beautiful cliff. Then, right as you're about to go in, your front foot, you want to make sure your back foot is getting ready to hop on, and you're spotting your landing, making sure your wheels are over the coping and jumping on. Gradually, feel your voice inside of you as you're popping up the surface. You want to pop it, lock it, scoop it all the way to the edge and hop like a little ride. Two things you want to make sure you're not doing is coming up and losing balance like a top, and your foot is not on the board the whole time. You want to follow your footsteps like you're a detective on the, Ace Ventura.
I'm ready to go in, Coach. Just give me a chance.
And follow your footsteps all the way and leap on. Make sure to follow your footsteps. So, if you know how to do that, then you're basically ready for a sweeper. When you're first starting, you can, hop it a little bit, kind of like you're riding a horse. And then you get smooth steps into one motion, like a scooping mechanism. Woo! You gotta take that initial leap. Don't be scared. This is just certainly the proper way of doing a sweeper or having fun with it. But you can totally mix it up or do it your own way, or completely misconcept the trick and just turn it into a flip and then hop on and go crazy. Or you can just flip it in your hand and go in. You don't even have to do it. Just jump. The main thing is a sweeper. It's the basic springboard for initially finding who you are in the trick. Almost like you're, just circling around in a plane trying to find the clouds and trying to make it your own way. Pull it, Rocky! And just, don't do that. See? You could just, you'll find your way. Certainly, as you can tell, this trick requires a high priority of mental belief. But don't worry, once you believe and just have the willpower to tell yourself you can do anything, don't be afraid. It's magical. You'll ride the magic carpet ride of nonsense and you'll go crazy. And you'll be doing sweepers all day long, so don't even fret. Just hop right in there, give it a little spin, and say la vie, have fun. Bye. Bye. Mix it up, do that, spin it around, go in, maybe spin with her, and then do the whole thing and grab it like a